Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. Now, after discussing a lot about your indexing, about your slicing and all those stuffs, now it's the time to discuss a little different thing about the strings, and that is how you can update or how you can delete up your strings. Right? So, about the updating and the deleting of the stuffs, I'll be talking with you over right here into this particular video. First of all, I'll take you towards the update thing because that's quite a little simple one than your deleting one, right? So, I'll just put in the topic over here, update and delete string. Fine. So, if we're talking about your updating and the deleting up of your strings over there or something like that. So if I talking that you have any predefined function for updating or deleting the strings, so the answer is no. We do not have any update function or any some function like that which will help you to update your string. No, that's not at all true. You just have to manually write in the code. You do not have any predefined function which you can simply use in one line and your string will get updated, because the reason is strings are immutable. Up till the time you do not have any respective function, any predefined function for doing any stuffs on any data structures, we say those are your immutables. Immutables means that cannot change. I have discussed about immutables a lot into my previous videos, right? So those cannot change. So with the help of any predefined function, you cannot change up the strings. That's not allowed. But manually, if you give in some of the stuffs, it will change, and I'll show you how you can do it like that, right? Let's start. So 1_str is my variable, right? And let's say I would write this string which is learning Python, or I'll say learning DSA. Okay. Moving next, I will print up this 1_str variable. What I'll get in the result which is learning DSA very simply, because this is a simple string which I have only print up over here, and see I got here as a learning DSA. Very easy and very simple. Now next thing that goes is, now if I need to update up this string, so I can't use update function over there, that I told you already. What's the method? The method is you can write in the same variable, that is 1_str. Okay, and you can assign up a I'll say new string over there, right? And then after that, when you will run in the program, you will be getting that string as a result. I'll show you how. I'll just write 1_str, right? And I'll just write up over here like a channel name, fun with, okay, 1 second, fun with data science. Really, that's the string which I have written up over here. Now if I try to print in up my 1_str variable, let's see what will happen now. I got fun with data science. So this is how my string has got updated. This is how the strings get updated in Python programming. This is the method how these get updated, right? You just need to write in the update function. That's your learning DSA. Sorry, just you have to define in one variable with the string learning DSA, let's say. Now if you want that the previous one which I have the string that should get updated, so your updated string will be this particular fun with data science. If I comment up this particular portion, get me a second cursor over here, and if I comment this one, right, you will see that you will get in the final result as fun with data science only. You will not get this I am learning Python. Let me show you. See, you didn't get learning DSA. You just got it, that is fun with data science. The reason is because my updated string is getting showed, not my first string which I have defined up. Right? So many a times these things need to be very much taken care of, because you might receive some sort of things or some sort of questions like this where your one string is there. Now you're asked to update that. So update function or the things will not work out. You just have to write up the things like this only, and after that only you'll be able to apply up your function or apply up your method over there. Right? Now if we're talking about what is the respective method about updating the characters of any string? Right? If we're talking about what is the method for updating up the character of a string? So I'll do one thing. I'll just close this from here and I'll just write the program for that. Okay? I'll show you how I'm writing and how I'm getting the errors for that. Okay? So I'll write, let's say, str_1. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just simply take up a string as in I'll say general variable. I'll just convert that to a list, let's say. Okay, so string 1 like that. Okay, right now we haven't defined. I'll define it in some time. Next, what is that? What we are having? Next, what I'll do, I'll just take one more. One second. Let me leave this out from here. And first of all, let me concentrate over the same only, which is your update and delete of the strings. So updating is your learning DSA and fun with data science, right? So in both of those, I'll get only one respective thing, and that will either be your learning DSA or that could either be your fun with data science. So whatsoever you have defined at the last, that will be your string. Whatsoever you have defined at the last, that will be your final string, right? Great, perfect. So for updating up the string, this is the method. Now some of you might think if I can use in the join function for joining the strings and then combining them, or converting up a string to a list and then joining them, and those stuffs. So no, that will not work. You can just try it once at your end about with the join function or the things about the same, but it won't work in again. The reason is strings are immutable. So I hope you have gotten the idea about how you can update up the strings. What's the method for updating? Right, in the next video, I'll be taking you towards the further more things with the update and delete only. So I will continue in the next video. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, do share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you there in the next video.